Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to log in Discord app on your mobile. First up, you just need to download and install the Discord app on your App Store. So search for Discord and then tap on the install button. Once done, tap on open and this will open up the Discord app on your mobile. Now you have two options if you want to tap on register to create a new account or login. So tap on login, and then once you tap on the login button here, as you can see, you'll need to enter your account information, your email, phone number, and your password. And you can also sign in with the passkey right here at the bottom if you're going to tap on that. And then here, basically, once you tap on that, it will show you this one here where you can sign in using your passkey or security key. So from here, I'm going to just log in my email and password. And once done, tap on login and you'll be directly go to your main dashboard. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.